Trading is about learning and improving each and every day, and I guarantee you will learn something in this video like I learned something. I should not be as greedy as I am when I come to the charts, and I should take what the market gives me. Even though I did look for a little bit more than I usually look for, I should just start taking profits and securing what I can get from the charts. Alright, I have just gotten break of candle in GU demand, and let's see how this ends up playing out. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look like an A plus setup, but it doesn't look too bad at all. We have New York Stock Exchange open right this second. So this is New York Stock Exchange open candle. I am just trying to look for a bunch of momentum to the upside. I do believe we can keep pushing up though. So let's see how this ends up. Yeah, there we go. There's the momentum. I do want more. I just want to keep just fly through this. Yep, there's the momentum we are getting. We are about to hit 1 to 2 take profit. Yeah, there we go. So this would have been my original take profit and I would have gone out here, but I am trying to hold for that high because I do believe it could get there. And I actually do believe this trade could keep holding even further because this is London's high. And we are coming off a 15-minute demand. So I do believe we are going to keep pushing. And this candle might actually just be the one to hit the full take profit. Or I'm just being a bit greedy and I should get out at 1 to 2. But you know what? I am going to try hold for that 1 to 3. I do believe that we are going to get there. We were right there. We're getting a little bit of a hard rejection, but I'm just going to be patient and wait it out. My stops are at break even. So if we do get to, if the price does reverse all the way back to our entry, I am going to just close and take it as it is. But I do believe next 5-minute candle is coming out in like 10 seconds. So I think we should be good. Alright, so it does look like we are not getting the momentum to our side. I'm just gonna wait a bit. and see. Yeah, okay. There is a lesson learned to not be as greedy. Let's just see if we get back to our entry or not. Yep, there we go. I did just close at break even. Definitely a lesson to be learned here, to just not be as greedy as I was. I definitely did think it had the potential to reach as high, like we were like what, 1.3 pips off hitting the take profit. So it wasn't like we were right there. This might even just still continue up, but I'm not gonna risk it. So it is what it is, and that's all I am taking on the day. This was a beautiful trade. It wasn't an A+ setup like I said, but it did end up playing out. I just wanted the 1 to 3, which I could have just taken the 1 to 2 and been done for the day, but I am done for the day now, and it is what it is. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick trade breakdown for you guys. So let's just break this down. So we did end up closing at break even, as you guys saw, but let's just explain why I wanted to go for the 1 to 3. So we had this high up here, which just made like a lot of sense. We had a couple 1 minute gaps to be filled over here. If we go to the 5 minutes, you can see that London's highs up here. I didn't think we would go all the way up there, but I did think, you know what, we would have gotten a little bit more momentum out of this zone. But that does not look like what the market wanted to do. And then another bit of confluence on this trade is we had a 15-minute demand here that is holding. But it does not look like it's gonna hold anymore. And then there's a 15-minute supply, counter trend supply. Actually, isn't that's not really counter trend, kind of consolidating a bit, but we are rejecting from a 15-minute supply there. So that probably is the reason why it is gonna keep going down now. But I definitely should maybe taken some profit, but I did want that 1 to 3 and it made sense to me, so I'm not mad about the trade. But usually my take profit is a 1 to 2 and that did get smashed, so this was technically a winning trade. It is just because I wanted to go for that extra little bit of profit, but you know what, is what it is. This is going to happen sometimes, and it's just a lesson to be learned that you should not be greedy all the time. But that is all I have in this video. Make sure you guys keep grinding, keep getting to the next level, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.